Nick, when you put your glasses properly, Dom. Put it properly.
Bread.
Wipe your mouth, please. Are you playing that, Dom? You trigger.
Bread.
You want bread?
Churro.
You want Cheryl to buy your bread. Put your glasses properly. Put your glasses properly. Put your glasses properly, Dom. No. Put it down. Put it down. Oh, Dominic. Straight to my plant. It's not funny, isn't it? Can you wipe your mouth, please? That's a good boy. And again. That's a good boy. And what about your glasses? Near your nose. That's it.
Wiggle.
You need to adjust your nose, your glasses, is it?
Wiggle.
Wiggle. You like wiggle?
Wiggle.
Can we put the wiggle Pixie so that he likes the music? Yeah. Pixar. Yeah. One more, just one, and then you can have the thing. Okay?
My favorite.
Yes. The you know the favorite wiggle Dominic that he likes. You know that he sing. What's it? You know that he likes crocodile.
Crocodile hunter.
Yeah. He like the crocodile hunter.
I like that
Yeah.
one as well.
Yes, nice.
Because you can see,
Yeah.
it's like he jumps when the crocodile comes and
Yeah.
you put the snake and then jump
Yes.
like that. It's,
I heard him singing with that.
yeah, I know. I see.
Is that your favorite Dom? Crocodile hunter.
Crocodile hunter.
Crocodile hunter.
I'm gonna search it.
Yeah. Pardon, Dom?
Crocodile.
Is that your toy, Dom? Strap. Have a drink, Dom. Dom. No, I don't want that, Dom. Can you have a drink, please, Dom? Dom. Dom, are you listening to Mama? Yeah, drink first. Drink, please.
Oh.
Yeah, no battery. We need to get you a battery.
Oh look!
What's
it's
that?
him.
Oh, yes. Yeah, but that's not
I know, but it
wiggle.
looks like him now.
Oh my goodness.
Steve.
No, I don't think that's real.
It is serious.
I don't put it down. Just go another my plant Pixie.
Crocodile
Go and get it down, please.
hunter.
Dominic, go and get your bib. Go and get your bib, please.
I got it, guys.
Dom, get your bib, Dom.
Friend.
Yeah, it's on the plant. Come on, can you get it for me?
No.
Please. Dom.
I got
Pixie,
it.
can you go and get the bib? Give it to me, Pixie.
I got it in.
Thank you.
Oh, Wiggles.
Which one?
I'll say Wiggles.
How old are you, Dom?
13.
That's right.
Birthday.
Your birthday last week. Wasn't it, Dom?
Oh.
Hmm?
Look what it says there.
Wiggle.
I'm going to find it. I'm finding. There.
Sock.
Yeah. Where are your socks, Dom? Dom? Dominic? Oh. This one?
I'm trying to get it.
I want you to sing, Dom.
Pop.
Pop.
Refill.
Mm-hmm.
Refill.
For you. Is that for you, Dom?
Dog.
Got it.
Hmm? For you.
I've got the crocodile.
What's that, Dom?
hunter.
Hmm?
Uh-oh.
Yeah, you have to wait for a bit. Oh, look, the children. Say hello, Mom.
It's just an ad.
Hmm?
There you go.
Repeat.
Add. What's that? You start. Yeah, I'm going to get new battery. Here's your favorite.
Rebecca!
The car. Yeah, they need
The
battery.
back!
What's the back?
Car!
Yes. Come on, I'm waiting for the Dominic singing. Yes, Dominic, well done, Dom. Louder, Dom. I can't hear properly.
Stop.
Yes, because you need battery.
Repeat.
Can you sing it though?
Repeat.
No battery. Just put it
No
down.
one.
Yeah. You want a new one? Oh, we can't get new one yet, Dom. We have to save some money
Okay, shop.
in the shop. Yeah.
Got some.
You want to buy some? Yes. We just have to wait. What for the
What
Christmas? You want a new one? Oh dear.
This.
Not yet. Well done. Not yet.
Got one.
Yeah. Come on, sing it for
Oh
me.
dear.
Oh, Dad, it's okay. It's okay.
Shop.
You just need battery.
Shop.
Shop. Yeah.
Got one.
Come on, sing it for me. Sing it, please. I want to hear you singing.
Got one.
Oh, look.
I don't want to send this.